Guys, we're here in another amazing project in Miami where we did this pool pad and pool resurfacing. And here's our customer, Renee. Renee, what do you think of our work?
So these guys are by far your best option in the market. They are very nice people, very professional, detail oriented. They'll make the work exactly the way you want it. And just remember, if you want to stay cool, you gotta call Master Pool.
That was really good. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Stay cool, call Master Pool. That was nice. Thank you. I really appreciate it.